going to talk about head to toe products that will work to give you a very nice skin tone. And if you use these, trust me, you'll come back and drop review for me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video in 2026. And I'm super excited to film this, super excited posting this, and very excited knowing that you will watch me. Happy New Year to you. How you doing? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, in this video we'll talk about some products that will help your skin glow. So I will recommend some products for you guys. I'll show you guys some products that will help you glow up your skin, and this is actually for any skin type. I think if you're very dark and you don't want to tone up, this is not for you. This is actually for people who you want to go light a little bit. You want to have that rich madam kind of complexion. That is what I'm talking about in this video. And then one thing is, whatever it is we are doing, I will always say this, whatever it is you're doing with your skin, you want to be health conscious, like have your health at the back of, no, not back, front of your mind. So you want to have your health, like put your health first, because you don't want to do things that will later do something else to your health. So whatever you're doing, you want to be careful, you want to do them healthily, and you want to be cautious. Okay, let's talk about the bad products first. Now for my bad products, I have three. Okay, I have three bad products that I'll be recommending. The first one is black soap. You guys know that I love black soap a whole lot. I am the black soap queen. I have the black soap queen. The first bad product I'm going to recommend is the black soap, which I actually have it here. I'm going to show you guys. Now the black soap is you can actually use black soap no matter your complexion, but it depends on the kind of black soap that you're using. The one I have right here is the Glow Black Soap. Yeah, I actually made it in a way that it's going to glow up my skin. And from what you're saying, you can say that it is working. If you're light skin, there's something for you. If you're dark skin, there's something for you. And then if you just want to glow up, there's something for you. So first one here is the Glow Black Soap. So I have it right here. So that's my black soap. First wash of products I'm recommending for you guys is the Glow Black Soap. Now second one, I'm going to tell you guys how to use each of these things. Okay, I'll tell you, just keep watching. The second one that I have that I'll recommend to you is the bar soap. I don't really have it here, but I'll recommend the Ashanti papaya soap, papaya and carrot soap. I really encourage double cleansing if you need a good skin tone. If you want your products to work very well, I encourage you double cleanse. I'm going to explain that before this video ends. So Ashanti is the one I'm recommending, or you can use the Alpha Arbutin soap, the one I talked about in my previous video. Yes, the Alpha Arbutin 3-in-1 collagen soap, you can use that. And then the third soap that I have here is the body wash. So I'm recommending Fusa body wash for you guys. You can actually use any Fusa of your choice, but I have this one here which I love so much. I think I like to, I'm going to put the picture on the screen for you guys. So if you're using black soap today, the next day you can use the shower gel, the other day you can use this one. And then when you're using either you're using the black soap, you can also use your tablets. Okay, or you use the black soap in the morning and then you use your tablets at night, just like that. That is how you're going to be changing these soaps. One thing about having more than one soap is it actually makes this thing last for you. Like when you have all three soaps like this, it can take you like 6 months before you can even think of buying something else. It also helps you to double cleanse, which is actually a very good thing if you're actually trying to tone up or you want a glowy skin or something nice. Okay, so that's that for the wash off products. And one thing about wash off products, one thing I like about wash off products is I actually encourage people, like, okay, for people no, I don't encourage, but for people who want to lighten up their skin so fast, which I don't, like I don't encourage. You want to lighten up your skin so fast, you may want to use something that is a bit strong to do that. And I wouldn't advise you use a leave-on product like a cream to lighten up your skin too fast. You can use a wash-off product because you only leave it on for some time and then you wash it off, right? So it won't really have much, it won't really have an effect on you. So unlike when you use cream to lighten your skin and you're doing it very, very fast, I don't think that's a good one. I need to sound this. Do what works for you. If you already have something that is okay with your skin, if you already have something, a product that is working for you, stick to it. Okay. Now, if you want a product to work very well on your skin, then you want to use it in a way that, like, when you get into your bathroom, wet your body and then you apply this product all over. After applying it, leave it on for a few minutes before you can wash it off. Just allow it, give it some time to work before you can wash it off. Okay, so that's that. And then for my black soap, I actually made it myself. Yes, I make and sell black soaps and body butters, so I made this by myself. Okay, let's move on to your cream, like a body cream. For that lighter glowy skin, I would recommend Glow. Is a body lotion that you can use, and trust me, when you use that cream, your skin will speak for itself. No one would need to ask you, is your cream working or is what you're doing working? People will see you and they will know that you're actually doing something, like you're actually using something on your skin. Your skin will speak for itself when you're using it. If you can afford it, go ahead and get it because it will do wonders on your skin. So that's that for the body lotion. Now for your face, right? A very good face cream that actually works. It is not too cheap and it is not that expensive as well. Okay, the face cream that actually works is Ultra Radiant Boosting Face Cream. I'm going to leave the picture on the screen for you guys to see. It's a very nice face cream that really does the work. Now, one good thing about this face cream is that it is suitable for acne prone skin. If you have an acne prone skin, you can use this. It only helps to like glow up your skin, lighten it up. It's actually going to give you a lighter skin tone. So if you do not want to brighten up your face, if you don't want to lighten up your face, do not buy it. Okay, so this particular face cream is good and I recommend for people looking for something nice to use. It's recommended and advisable if you know you're using something that lighten up the skin, to not use it in the daytime, use it at night. It is recommended that you have two products for like face cream. Now have two face creams, body cream, have two of them. If you want to lighten up your skin or something like that, it is recommended that you don't stick to just one thing. Okay, you have to, like, you really need to try your possible best to get two products. All right, so you have a mild one, a just mild and normal moisturizer that you can use in the morning because you're going to step out, and then you have the one that is more active that you can use at night. Okay, so that's that. Now for your face serum, since you have an active face cream, you can actually use a cheap face serum and it's still going to work for you. Cheap, I mean, is you can actually get a serum of about 5,000 naira, 4,000 naira, 6,000 naira, and it will actually work for you since you are using a face serum, since you're using a face cream that is active. So you can get any of these Esteline or Dr. Rachel face serums and use. Esteline products are nice, so I recommend you can get any Esteline serum, any Esteline serum, you can use that. And one other thing about Esteline serums is that Esteline, not just the serum, like Esteline products, I think they actually, I don't know if the owner of that product is an oily skin person. They make their products suitable for even people with acne prone skin. Their products are cheap, but there are things that even if you have an acne prone skin and you use it, it's just it works well with any skin type. And then you can't just be doing all of these things without the sunscreen. You need a sunscreen. Now for the sunscreen, I recommend, I'm going to leave the picture on the screen for you guys. Any sunscreen that does not leave white cast on me, I just mark it good. And then one other thing is it easily absorbs, like it penetrates. And me, I have an oily skin. I love the packaging as well. It's very small, something I can just put in my handbag. It's nice and something that you can try out. Okay, so that's that. Okay, I didn't talk about toner. You also need a toner for your face because you're talking about a complete skincare product here. So for your toner, I recommend Wonder Toner. I'm going to leave the picture on the screen, okay? Or you can get any licorice product like licorice toner or any niacinamide toner if you actually need a special effect from the toner. Or better still, if you don't have any issue with your face, just go with rose water. So guys, that is basically it. Now if you're using any of these products, do let us know in the comment section how it is on your skin. If you will be using any of them, when you use them, you can come back and drop a review. Okay, you can come back and drop a comment, tell us how, whether it worked on you or not. And yeah, thank you so much. I hope you liked this video already. If you haven't, please like the video before you take your leave. Do not forget to always come back to watch more videos, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I post videos on this channel, you'll be the first person YouTube will notify. Feel free to share my videos to everyone out there. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.